We've been following Palantir for 3 years, and while much has changed, one thing remains the same. Nobody seems to know what the heck an ontology is. We promise that by the end of this video, you'll not only know what an ontology is, but also understand how it works, its power, and its real-world impact. Data is no longer just numbers on a spreadsheet. It's the lifeblood of modern organizations. Palantir's ontology is the key that unlocks the potential of this data, enabling unprecedented collaboration and decision-making. Today, we're diving deep into how this game-changing tool is reshaping industries. But what exactly is Palantir's ontology, and how is it transforming the way businesses operate? At its core, an ontology is a set of concepts and categories within a domain that shows their properties and the relations between them. Think of it as a digital map of your organization's knowledge and processes. Palantir's ontology takes this concept and applies it to data management, turning complex datasets into understandable, actionable insights. Imagine trying to assemble a 1,000-piece puzzle without the picture on the box. That's what working with raw data often feels like. Palantir's ontology provides that picture, helping you see how each piece fits into the bigger picture. So how does it work? Data is stored in objects and links. Objects represent real-world concepts like an airplane, vehicle, or customer. Links represent the relationships between these objects, like a customer purchasing a product or a vehicle being assigned to a route. By organizing data into these objects and links, the ontology transforms disjointed data points into a cohesive network that mirrors real-world relationships. Traditional data is often trapped in tables, rows and columns that can be hard to navigate and understand. Palantir's ontology turns these tables into interconnected networks, making it easier to visualize and analyze complex relationships. Think of it like upgrading from a static map to an interactive GPS system. You don't just see where things are, you understand how they connect and interact in real time. Converting data from spreadsheets into objects and links unlocks a broad set of tools within Palantir Foundry. You can define actions that describe how objects can be changed by people in your organization. This enables you to build applications that not only access data, but also capture user decisions back into the system. For example, a global supply chain can model each shipment as an object linked to suppliers, transport routes, and delivery schedules. If there's a delay, the ontology helps you see the ripple effects and adjust accordingly. Palantir's ontology fosters real-time collaboration between analytics teams, data scientists, and business decision-makers. By providing a common framework, everyone speaks the same language, making it easier to work together towards shared goals. Imagine a scenario where marketing, sales, and customer support teams all access the same up-to-date customer data. They can coordinate strategies, share insights, and provide a seamless customer experience. One of the biggest challenges organizations face is the gap between data collection and actionable decisions. The ontology bridges this gap by making data more understandable and accessible. Consider a healthcare organization managing patient care. By modeling patients as objects linked to treatments, medical history, and appointments, healthcare providers can deliver personalized care more efficiently. Let's look at a real-world example. A leading manufacturing company used Palantir's ontology to integrate data from production lines, quality control, and supply chains. By visualizing these relationships, they identified bottlenecks, reduced waste, and increased efficiency by 20%. Another case involves a financial institution that used the ontology to detect fraudulent activities. By linking transactions, accounts, and user behaviors, they uncovered patterns that traditional analysis missed, saving millions in potential losses. With the ontology's structured data, organizations can leverage advanced analytics and machine learning. Predictive models become more accurate when they're based on well-defined objects and relationships. For instance, in retail, understanding how products, customer preferences, and seasonal trends are linked can help predict future sales and optimize inventory. In today's fast-paced world, flexibility is key. Palantir's ontology allows organizations to adapt quickly by updating objects and links as things change. If a new regulation affects your industry, you can model its impact on operations, compliance, and finances within the ontology, enabling proactive adjustments. Data security is paramount. The ontology includes robust governance features, ensuring that only authorized users can access sensitive information. It provides a clear audit trail, helping organizations meet compliance requirements. Palantir's ontology democratizes data access. You don't need to be a data scientist to understand and use the information. Interactive dashboards and visualizations make it easier for everyone to contribute. This inclusivity fosters a data-driven culture where insights come from all levels of the organization. Data silos hinder growth and collaboration. The ontology breaks down these barriers by integrating disparate data sources into a unified model. For example, combining customer feedback from social media, support tickets, and sales data provides a 360-degree view of customer satisfaction and areas for improvement. By providing a clear picture of operations, the ontology sparks innovation. Teams can identify opportunities for new products, services, or process improvements that were previously hidden in the data. As technologies evolve, so do data challenges. Palantir's ontology is designed to scale and adapt, ensuring that your organization remains agile and competitive. Integrating emerging technologies like IoT devices or AI algorithms becomes seamless when you have a solid ontology foundation. So why should you care about Palantir's ontology? Because it transforms the way you interact with data, turning complexity into clarity. It empowers you to make informed decisions, collaborate effectively, and innovate faster. Whether you're in operations, finance, marketing, or IT, the ontology has something to offer. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of your data, consider exploring Palantir's ontology further. Assess your data needs. Identify areas where data complexity hinders decision-making. Engage stakeholders. Bring together teams to understand how the ontology can benefit everyone. Start small. Begin with a pilot project to demonstrate value and gain momentum. In a world where data is growing exponentially, having the right tools to manage and leverage it is crucial. Palantir's ontology offers a powerful solution to navigate this complexity. By turning data into actionable insights, fostering collaboration, and driving innovation, the ontology positions organizations for success in the digital age. Thank you for joining us on this journey into Palantir's ontology. If you found this valuable, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into cutting-edge technologies. Don't forget to check out our next video, where we'll delve into practical steps for implementing an ontology in your organization.